Kids, we are going on a trip.
Hooray!
Pit and I have never been on a plane before. Come on, Daddy, we're about to take off. I'll sit with Daddy. I wonder what Pit is going to do.
I'm gonna listen to my music for the whole flight.
This is the flight attendant. We need to pay attention.
Hello, dear passengers. Please listen to the safety rules.
But Pit is still listening to his music. Oh, Pit. He can't hear you. The music's too loud.
Huh?
Pit, you need to listen to the safety rules.
Okay, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
We're all ready to listen.
Please fasten your seatbelts.
Time for takeoff! Hooray! The sign says to keep our seatbelts on. A castle in the sky?
Oh!
Wow! What's wrong, Daddy?
Oh, Penny, you can't move right now. Look at this sign. You must stay in your seat when it's on.
Oh, okay.
Good.
Poor Pit. He needs to use the restroom. Okay, Pit. It's now safe to go. Watch out! Ouch! Oh, Pit.
Oops, I'm sorry.
Pit, you can't run in the airplane. Do you understand me?
Yes, Mommy.
Okay, here you go.
It's time to put our seatbelts on. Even adults must obey the rules.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Thank you, sir. Huh?
Maybe we'll just play for a little longer. Wake up, Mommy.
What?
Did we do something wrong?
Kids, be quiet.
Oops. We're sorry. I'll go back to my seat. And Pit can buckle his seatbelt.
There we go.
We're landing! Our flight is over! We're now ready for our vacation. Bye!
Pilot Blueberry is ready to take off. But first, the passengers must put on their seatbelts. Daddy's belt is a little tight. You did it, Pit! Your turn, Mommy. Everyone's ready, Blueberry. The sun is in Daddy's eye.
The window blinds must be open during takeoff and landing.
Huh?
Does Mommy want something from the cart? Mommy wants to read. And would Daddy like something from the cart? He chose a bottle of water. Watch out, Pit. You need to tell Daddy the rules.
Throw your trash in the bin.
Do you understand, Daddy? What's going on? Mommy and Daddy don't need to worry.
Don't be afraid. It's just some turbulence.
Now Daddy needs to use the restroom. But Daddy should wait in his seat.
You're in turbulence. You need to stay in your seat.
It's now safe to use the restroom. Why is the door locked?
If there is a red line on the door, it's occupied.
Uh-oh. Who's flying the plane? It's flying the plane. The plane has landed safely.
Thank you for flying our airline.
You kids were an excellent crew.